with RPG Lifestyle once more. Same packaging as usual. I always love these locks. I love the design. It's edgy but minimalistic at the same time. As usual, I'm seeing the wig in the tissue paper. So before I get into the wig, let's see what else is in there. So, okay. I got 2 packets here of the Buriti Oil Wig Deep Conditioner for wigs and weave. This is formulated specifically for your wigs and weaves. So I've gotten this before, you know, I never gave it a try, so I'm gonna be sure to give it a try next time I wash my wig. As usual, you know it would not be an RPG show lifestyle package without one of their gorgeous magazines. So I got that. I also got a pair of wig caps. I got, you know, the like envelope thingy here with just, you know, the information of the kind of wig that I have. I have this wig grip here, so I will be incorporating that in today's installation for sure. I also have a thank you card, which is so tastefully done. You know, it says a better and easier wig application, RPG Show Lifestyle, and then it gets into their social media on the back, and you know, just explaining to you guys what RPG Show Lifestyle is all about on the back there. And then lastly, I got in the box one of their drawstring bags, branded, and you can store your wig in this after you wear it and cleanse it and all that good stuff. Okay, you know how RPG Show Lifestyle does this already. This came styled. Okay, this wig came styled already. You see these curls? I am so excited. So, alright, cool. This wig that you see here in my hand, it's a silky texture wig, alright? It's 14 inches long, so it's a long bob, and it's of a natural hair color. As you can see, it's a medium cap, and this is a 30x6 Swiss lace front wig. It's 200% in density. The front is already pre-plucked lightly, and it's really nice. And as I said, this is a tinted transparent Swiss lace. Alright, so they did everything for you guys already, okay? They sent the wig style. It's already pre-plucked. It's tinted. It's bleached and tinted. And it's a nice, deep 13x6 lace front. The sides, of course, are not as deep as the mid portion, but that's fine. You can still get a nice, deep side part or center part with this. So that looks good. And this is how the edges look. Gorgeous. Just gorgeous. It comes with like a nice little side part. So that's cute. I'm gonna keep it like that. Today I'm going for a minimal effort kind of install. I want to make this as easy as possible for you guys. So the type of install we're going for today with this wig is like a, you know, kind of save your edges, you know, when wearing a wig kind of vibe. So of course you're gonna have all your edges in, and you know, you're still gonna make this wig nice and fitted without using any glue or gel, any form of adhesive. So completely glueless and still very nice fitted and flat on your head. So it's very, very beginner friendly. Let's go ahead and jump into this quick and easy install. Also, I don't think I got a chance to show you guys the inside of the cap. It does have an extra elastic band in there, you know, which helps. It will help with security, and it's branded RPG Show. Also in the back there is adjustable straps, so you can make this tighter to be even more secure. And there is a total of 3 combs on the inside if you decide to use them for extra security as well. So it's a nice standard cap construction. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the extra lace here on the back before I proceed with installation. So I just use the elastic band to kind of first slip it on, and this is already so nicely layered. The wig that is, I can just tell by the way, you know, the curls are falling. You know, I won't go in and restyle this or anything because it's already styled so nicely. Now the wig is nice and snug. Oh, before I even move on, I forgot to put on my wig grip, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this on and then slip on back the wig. So I can feel like the instant difference once I slip the wig on with the grip beneath it. So that's all there is to it. You want to just line up the hairline of the wig with your natural hairline. Okay, and then I'm gonna just move on to removing the extra lace. And you want to be careful when cutting away the extra lace because you don't want to cut off any of the hair. So okay, so this is the hairline. Absolutely no product at all, no product whatsoever, and it is nice and flat and it looks super melted without anything on it. That's the power of a good Swiss lace. Okay,
what you do to me, between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can like you do. That's why I don't mind spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can.
this is how it looks, right? With absolutely no product. It's laying on stuff, but the very side here is lifting up just a tad, right? So you want to just make sure that it's kind of just like sitting and not lifting right here at all. So I'm gonna take a little bit of my spray on my finger and I'm just gonna tap that in. The least amount of product. I'm really not taking a lot. I'm just gonna pretty much just tack it down right there and blow on it with some cool air from a blow dryer. And voila. Okay, that's all you needed. And we're finished with that side. So let's go ahead and test out this grip, right? I'm gonna shade this wig and let you see before I even move on to laying the top flat and stuff. I'm gonna shake it and let you see that this is super secure on my head. All right, let's go. It's not going anywhere. It's not going anywhere. It's not going anywhere. The wig grip and just using the extra elastic band on the inside and everything. You see that? Pulling on it. Yeah, man. It legit. Yep. And you see, say glueless. Just a little tap here, so. Yeah. It's a 10. So what I'm gonna do is just go ahead and I'm gonna just lay right here to just get it to go a little bit flatter. Pull back the hair out of my face. I'm just gonna take my hot comb. I'm not even applying any extra product to it or anything because I want to make this like tutorial as simple as possible, especially for all the beginners. But of course, if you want to go in with extra product, by all means do so. I'm just making it as simplified for you guys. Guys, can you believe that's pretty much it for today's install? I know, it is so easy, right? Just kind of like coming through it. I love the little flip that it has. Oh, this is giving classy, it's giving grown woman sexy, it's giving business, it's giving boss. yeah, definitely that kind of girl. That's what it's giving. It's giving one of them nice pantsuit there. When they step through the door, everybody must say me business. That's what it's giving. You know? Yes, it's giving wealth. And I love that. I love that. I love that for us. I love that. So, you know, if you know you're into this kind of vibe, definitely go ahead and check out my description box. The direct link to this wig will be down there. Shout out to RPG Show Lifestyle once more. They always have amazing wigs. They never ever disappoint me. And I'm telling you the honest truth. Like, for me personally, I'm always pleased. And they're always like trying to create their wigs in such a way where it's not hard to install. It's very, you know, like easy for the customers to, you know, get around and just installing these wigs on their own. And you know, because after you drop a bag on buying a wig, then you don't want to have to be dropping multiple other bags for a hairstylist, like not all the time, you know. So I get it, and this is a vibe. So let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section, and don't forget to check out the description box. That's it for today's wig look, guys. Thank you so much for watching. That's it, and I'll see you in my next video.